What makes curly hair more frizzy is the cuticle is naturally more lifted and makes the hair frizzier.
Humidity seeps right into the hair, and that's what really explodes it. What I love about the Ouidad products are they're very lightweight. All of them have the Anti-Frizz Nano Technology.
What I love about this new advanced climate control regimen, it's a whole new technology which seals down the cuticle to create a barrier against humidity. It's a product that anyone can use, any type of curl. I think it's wonderful, it's very versatile. When you shampoo your hair, the last thing that you want to do is be rough with it. You don't want to bunch your hair up, you don't want to scrub it really hard. Be gentle. If you're gentle with your hair, then you're smoothing the cuticle, and that way your hair won't be frizzy. Depending on how thick your hair is, or even how dry or tangled your hair might be, that depends on how much conditioner you're going to want to use. It depends on the thickness, it depends on your curl.
Take your detangling comb, start at the ends, working your way up to root, making sure not to bunch up the cuticle. You want to make sure that you're very gentle. Leave the conditioner in your hair for 3 minutes.
So once you've rinsed your conditioner from your hair, take a damp towel and gently blot your hair. You don't want to rub it dry because that again is going to rough up the cuticle. Prime the hair with the detangling heat spray. What the detangling heat spray does is it makes the hair more manageable.
This is going to protect your curls from heat styling and also UV damage.
Use a wide tooth comb and comb your hair, spreading the product from roots to ends. You're going to use the Advanced Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel. It creates a top coat and it seals down the cuticle. This is going to be your final product.
You want to make sure that the product is evenly distributed so that you form a protective barrier that you fight against frizz. We use the Ouidad rake and shake technique in order to give frizz-free, defined curls.
What the rake and shake technique is you're using your fingers as a rake and you're raking the product through your hair from roots to ends, and then you're shaking the hair back into place, and that helps you form your curl. Diffuse your hair with a blow dryer.
You want to direct the airflow from roots to ends, going down with the cuticle so that you smooth down the cuticle, creating maximum shine.
Then I come underneath and I gently encourage the curls to go back into place. You want to dry the product completely. That way, it seals down the cuticle, it locks in the moisture, and keeps out the frizz. Now that your hair is prepared and it's perfectly formed, the curls are perfect, don't be afraid to break them up.
The curls are movable and free.